Rule 35. Sound signals in restricted visibility. In or near an area of restricted visibility, whether by day or night, the signal prescribed in this rule shall be used as follows. A. A power-driven vessel making way through the water shall sound at intervals of not more than 2 minutes one prolonged blast. B. A power-driven vessel underway but stopped, and making no way through the water shall sound at intervals of not more than 2 minutes, through prolonged blasts in successions with an interval of about 2 seconds between them. C. A vessel not under command, a vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver, a vessel constrained by her drought, a sailing vessel, a vessel engaged in fishing, and a vessel engaged in towing or pushing another vessel shall, instead of the signal prescribed in paragraph A or B of this rule, sound at intervals of not more than 2 minutes 3 blasts in succession, namely one prolonged followed by 2 short blasts. D. A vessel engaged in fishing when at anchor and a vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver when carrying out her work at anchor shall, instead of the signal prescribed in paragraph G of this rule, sound the signal prescribed in paragraph C of this rule. A. A vessel towed or more than one vessel is towed the last vessel of the tow, if man shall at intervals of not more than 2 minutes sounds from blasts in succession, namely one prolonged followed by 3 short blasts. When practicable, the signal shall be made immediately after the signal made by the towing vessel. If, when a pushing vessel and a vessel being pushed ahead are rigidly connected in a composite unit, this shall be regarded as a power-driven vessel and shall give the signals prescribed in paragraph A or B of this rule. G. A vessel at anchor shall at intervals of not more than 1 minute ring the bell rapidly for about 5 seconds. In a vessel of 100 meters or more in length, the bell shall be sounded in the forepart of the vessel, and immediately after the ringing of the bell, the gong shall be sounded rapidly for about 5 seconds in the after part of the vessel. A vessel at anchor may, in addition, sound 3 blasts in succession, namely one short, one prolonged, and one short blast, to give warning of her position and of the possibility of collision to an approaching vessel. H. A vessel aground shall give the bell signal and, if required, the gong signal prescribed in paragraph G of this rule, and shall, in addition, give 3 separate and distinct strokes on the bell, immediately before and after the rapid ringing of the bell. A vessel ground may, in addition, sound an appropriate whistle signal. I. A vessel 1. A vessel of less than 12 meters in length shall not be obliged to give the above mentioned signals, but if she does not, shall make some another efficient sound signal at intervals of not more than 2 minutes. J. A pilot vessel, when engaged on pilotage duty, may, in addition to the signal prescribed in paragraph A, B, or G of this rule, sound an identity signal consisting of 4 short blasts.